Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day. So we are on the train today. We are going to Santa Marinella.
Coconut juice.
Coconut juice. We're on the train. Paula, say hi. Steffi, say hi. We made it. Yeah, so the train line was like an hour, so it wasn't too bad, but yeah, here we are.
Can you open it?
Woohoo! Look at all the pretty flowers. That's so pretty. Is that a house? Someone's house? Oh my god, that would be really cool. And I don't know if you guys can see, the beach is right over there. We should go on a boat. That would be so fun. I'm so excited to go on the beach. Yeah, spray.
Yeah, why does it look like milk? It looks like milk.
Guys, we're going on these little boats. I'm so excited. It has a little slide on it. How freaking cute. I don't know if you guys can hear me, it's windy. So, what? Yeah. On this one?
Yeah.
This one has a slide on it.
This is the steer, I think.
Okay.
Steve, what do you mean? One person starts
It has a slide. Wait, take a photo. Take a photo of us four. I want to post this on it. Here we go. Here we go. Just sit on the slide. How far out can we go? I want to go on those rocks. It feels so good. Oh my god, look at it. Oh yes. The sun is beaming. Go, Steffi. It's deep? Dad, the ladder's up. Go in the slide again, Angela. I'm scared. Go! Where's Dad? He's in the front. Can you swim? Hey guys, we're on the boat. Everyone say hi. Hello. Hey. Hi. Oh my god. See you, bye! Go, go. Come leave her behind. Flip, flip. Mikael pulled Sophia.
How about you step inside?
Is it recording, Mom? Are you sure? Because you said it was recording last time.
Come on, guys. Angela, you must
Does it say record?
Angela.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's recording. Of course. I know how to use your camera.
You're in the video.
What happened?
You're watching the video.
What happened? What happened? Scratch myself. No. We're out of the water and hurt myself, but I don't know. I can't even tell if I'm got tan or not. Hey guys, so we are on our way home now from the beach. It was so much fun and like the weather was so nice. The water was like a little cold at first, but then after a while like it felt like so good. I don't know, I inserted the clip where I literally fell and the right side of my hip, it like hurts and it's bruised. I can already tell because when I just like touch it, it already hurts so bad. So we just got some food and now we're going to the bus to go back home, and then we're all gonna get ready. We're gonna go back to the Coliseum, but kind of like during the nighttime-ish, because we went during the day like on our first day and we were all like super tired. I'm like bumping into everyone, but yeah, my hair's wet, my whole body is wet, but we're getting on the bus now. Let's go. Hey guys, so it is later now. We all like went home, took a shower, rested up a bit, got changed. We are going to the Coliseum, as I mentioned earlier, and it feels so good outside. It's 6:43 p.m. So I don't even know what time the sun is at. 8? 8. Yeah, but it feels so good out. Oh, let's do outfits. Okay, so this top is from PacSun. These jeans are from Skirt. I mean, this jean skirt is from Forever 21. Steve Madden shoes. Where's yours from? I think this top is from Garage or PacSun, and then the skirt is from, I want to say PacSun, but I feel like it also could be from or Tilly's. I think Tilly's actually. Steffi. Obviously Madden girl. Steffi. Outfit of the day.
My shirt is from Ignited Apparel.
Ignited Apparel, y'all. Ignited Apparel. Shorts are from where? Aeropostale.
Yeah. And her shoes are from Michael Kors.
Yeah. So Stephanie has worn Ignited Apparel twice this trip. I am gonna be wearing Ignited Apparel too, but I'm saving those for like specific days. So watch out, and I'll be wearing Ignited Apparel. Yeah, but I'm not really that hungry. We had some food earlier, and I think we're just gonna walk around the Coliseum. The side of my leg still hurts from when I literally fell on it on the little paddle boat, but yeah, it's a little tender right now. But yeah, so this is where we're going. The sun is setting on the Coliseum. It's so nice. Last time we were here, we were sweating. Literally sweating. I don't think we're going inside. Nobody's in there, so I think it's closed inside, maybe? I don't know. Look at the sunset though. Nope. Don't know if we're allowed to be on this side, but Look how pretty it is. I feel like it's so much prettier at this time of day when the sun is going down. I don't know if my camera is like foggy right now because of... Oh! Did you see that? It's like a little tornado. But yeah, it's so much nicer. I don't remember if you guys remember, but the first vlog we went right in front of there. I did like a little montage thing right over there. Then we did a little paddle boat thing, and then we kind of just hung out around the beach, and there really wasn't that many people, and the water felt really good. And honestly, it was like so salty, but like my skin like feels so soft. And I don't know if it's because of the super salty water, but like it's like way more soft than it usually is. I really don't know if we're allowed to be up here because we're literally like at the hill, like the gate of the Coliseum, and everyone's just walking around. But tomorrow I think we're going to Pisa tomorrow, and then we're gonna go cliff jumping. We gotta look at my hair. And then we're gonna go cliff jumping in, I forget where we're going cliff jumping at. No, tomorrow we're going to Pisa. Is it there? I forget, but in 2 days from now we're gonna go cliff jumping, and that's gonna be fun. So yeah, we have basically a week left of our trip, and it's like day 4 of our trip, and it already feels like it's going by so fast, which honestly I'm kind of shook about, but yeah. Angelo, bend your knees, Angelo.
It's like sitting down.
What is that? Angelo, go like this, like squat. Honestly guys, the shoes that I wore, like I've been wearing every day, are my Steve Madden shoes, and they're these ones, and honestly like they just like molded into my feet, and they actually like are pretty comfortable to walk in now. The first 2 days it was not good to walk in, but I was like, I don't have any other shoes, and I didn't want to wear my white Air Force Ones when we were going like places where there was like dirt everywhere. So I stuck with my Steve Madden ones, and they kind of hurt my feet a little bit, but now that I've just like really broken them in, so it's golden hour. Look at that scenery. It's so beautiful here. Like actually insane to look at. Guys, it is starting to rain. We need to cry. I'm a little concerned because I don't have anything to put my stuff. I have my backpack, but it's not waterproof. I got my camera, and I really hope it doesn't start pouring, but let's hope not. Raindrops. The raindrops. These are some big raindrops.
They are.
Oh my god, it's raining. Alright guys, so we are here at the Spanish Steps again. We were here yesterday. Oh no. Yeah, yesterday. And we're gonna go here because I think we're having dinner somewhere in the plaza. But we were here during the day, if you guys remember it, yesterday. Again, so many people here all the time. But yeah, it's so pretty here. Again, honestly for me, I prefer like walking around like when the sun is setting, like during the nighttime, because it's not as hot, and I don't know, it's just, I think it's a lot prettier. So I prefer walking around and seeing everything during sunset and like nighttime, evening time. But yeah, we were here looking at the stores. So yeah, I'm kind of hungry. I'm like in the mood for some gelato. Guys, it's so pretty. For what? Oh, it's so pretty. Isn't that view just insane? Guys, what? I wish you guys can see this in person. It looks insane in person. That's how much we have to walk. We have to walk all the way down there, like way past over that, just get up here. Out of breath, but
go to the
We're in Paris. Is that the Eiffel Tower over there? Oh, it's so pretty. I know the sunset is pink today. Oh, is that the plaza we were at last time? Oh. And a lemon for my Coke. I got prawns. What's everybody? Well, I'm gonna share some of their pizza too. Pizza. More gelato. We're at Benchi. Waiting in this long line. Alright, so I got the stracciatella and the fragola, and then I had like chocolate with little nuts on it. It's really good. Altea, thanks for recommending. Hey everyone, we just got home. Hey guys, so we just got home now. We're gonna start packing our stuff up because we are going to Pisa tomorrow. And we're taking a 4-hour train ride. And that's gonna be a while, but we're gonna be waking up tomorrow.
2 hours.
I thought it was 4. Why did Dad say 4?
4 to from Venice to here. Yeah.
Oh. So I guess this is, are you sure?
Yeah.
We're gonna see the Leaning Tower and do all that, and yeah. So we're gonna go get our stuff together. I don't really need to do a lot. My suitcase is right here with all my stuff. I just need to like put everything over here, but I have my little toiletries bag in here. I'm just going to take off my makeup, do my skincare, and then basically just put everything away. I have to decide what I'm wearing tomorrow and take that out. Go. And I'm thinking of wearing a dress tomorrow. I'm thinking of wearing this green dress tomorrow. So that's probably what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna finish packing here and then probably edit a video. And then, yeah, I just uploaded today the day 1. Gosh! Anyways, Paula's changing, but I just uploaded day 1 of their Italy travel vlogs. It's basically like a house tour and just kind of like the start of everything. So that's up, go check it out. Also, we reached 16,000 subscribers today. Woo! So thanks for subscribing, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, see you in tomorrow's vlog.